In 2025, one nation has shocked the world, not with tanks or fighter jets, but with drones. Iran, long underestimated on the global stage, has quietly transformed into a drone superpower. In this video, we'll uncover how sanctions, isolation, and regional conflict fueled an unexpected revolution in unmanned warfare. From the battlefields of the Middle East to proxy wars across continents, this is the untold story of how Iran changed the rules of war. With drones. Iran's drone program didn't begin in high-tech labs or billion-dollar defense contracts. It began with necessity. Surrounded by adversaries and under heavy sanctions, Iran knew it couldn't outmatch the US or Israel with conventional weapons, so it turned to asymmetric warfare. Cheap, mobile, and hard-to-detect drones were the perfect answer. While others chased stealth bombers, Iran built an air force that didn't need pilots. Ironically, international sanctions may have accelerated Iran's drone capabilities. Cut off from buying advanced aircraft, Tehran doubled down on domestic engineering and reverse engineering captured or downed foreign drones. With limited access to parts, Iranian engineers learned to improvise using commercial drone tech, 3D printing, and even consumer electronics to build deadly systems on a budget. Out of scarcity came ingenuity. In 2011, a CIA-operated RQ-170 Sentinel stealth drone crashed inside Iran. Tehran claimed to have hacked and captured it. Whether by jamming or luck, it was a goldmine. Iranian engineers reverse-engineered the RQ-170, and within years, unveiled drones that mimicked its profile like the Shahed-171. That moment marked a turning point. Iran didn't just build drones, it learned how to copy the best of them. Iran's drone family now includes dozens of models, but the most feared are the Shahed series. The Shahed-129 resembles the US MQ-1 Predator and can loiter for hours, launching precision strikes. But it's the Shahed-136, a kamikaze drone, that's become infamous. Small, cheap, and devastating, it's been used in conflicts from Yemen to Ukraine. Swarm-capable and GPS-guided, it's redefining the cost of conducting long-range attacks. Iran's drone program isn't just for defense, it's a tool of foreign influence. Drones have been exported to proxy groups and state allies, including Hezbollah, the Houthis, and reportedly, even Russia. This allows Iran to project power far beyond its borders without deploying troops. In places like Syria, Iraq, and Ukraine, these drones are making a global impact, with Iran's fingerprints often just barely visible. Unlike experimental platforms, Iranian drones are battle-tested. From airfields in Syria to desert strikes in Saudi Arabia, they've seen real-world success. The 2019 Aramco attack, which halved Saudi oil production, showed just how effective and coordinated Iran's drone strategy could be. That attack used drones and cruise missiles in synchronized waves, a tactic that caught advanced defense systems off guard. How can Iran build so many drones under pressure? The answer: mass production using low-cost, decentralized methods. Workshops scattered across the country assemble components, while others fabricate parts using consumer tech. This not only speeds up production, but also makes targeting facilities much harder. Iran doesn't need massive factories, it needs parts, software, and the will to disrupt. And it has all three. Enter the Shahed-238, a stealth-enhanced version of earlier models. With a reduced radar cross-section, improved speed, and better range, it shows Iran's progression from crude systems to advanced, purpose-built aircraft. While it may not rival US stealth UAVs, its price and battlefield effectiveness make it a serious concern for regional adversaries. Even modest stealth makes detection and interception significantly harder. Iranian drones now feature electronic warfare modules, enabling them to jam enemy radar, spoof GPS, and disrupt communications. This evolution is critical. Drones are no longer just weapons, they're platforms for digital warfare. In some cases, they're used to confuse air defenses or blind radar ahead of a larger strike. Iran's engineers are turning drones into a complete battlefield toolset, not just flying bombs. Iran is actively developing drone swarm tactics, where dozens or even hundreds of drones can fly together, communicating and reacting autonomously. This approach can overwhelm missile defense systems, drain resources, and force enemies to spread their attention thin. In 2025, Iranian generals have already demonstrated early versions of this tactic, signaling that the next phase of drone warfare is already here. Iran isn't just using drones for war, it's using them for narrative power. Each successful strike becomes a message. We can reach you. Iranian state media proudly broadcast drone test footage, strikes, and recoveries. These stories boost internal morale and send external warnings. The drone program is as much about psychological dominance as it is about military utility. Iran's rise hasn't gone unnoticed. Both the US and Israel have launched operations to disable drone facilities, intercept supply chains, and jam signal frequencies. Cyberattacks, airstrikes, and even targeted assassinations have been linked to efforts to stall Tehran's drone surge, yet the program keeps growing. In many ways, Iran has made its drone network too diffuse and agile to stop entirely. Iranian drones run on a mix of local innovation and adapted foreign tech. Open-source flight control systems, modified GPS modules, and low-cost cameras power many designs. While some parts come from smuggled goods, Iran has mastered hardware adaptation. Their engineers can turn commercial off-the-shelf tech into military-grade solutions, a skill set that gives them incredible flexibility on a limited budget. Iranian drones run on a mix of local innovation and adapted foreign tech. Open-source flight control systems, modified GPS modules, and low-cost cameras power many designs. While some parts come from smuggled goods, Iran has mastered hardware adaptation. Their engineers can turn commercial off-the-shelf tech into military-grade solutions, a skill set that gives them incredible flexibility on a limited budget. What's next for Iran's drone forces? There are rumors of underwater drones, long-endurance UAVs capable of crossing continents, and even AI-enabled hunter-killers. Iran's defense industry isn't slowing down, it's expanding into new domains. With satellite-guided navigation, smarter targeting, and longer ranges, the drones of tomorrow could strike deeper, faster, and smarter than ever before. The ripple effects are massive. Middle Eastern powers are racing to catch up. US defense contractors are rethinking how they build and deploy air defenses. Even NATO is adjusting its strategies. Iran has altered the landscape, not with fleets of jets, but with flying computers that cost less than a missile. The balance of power has shifted, and the world is still catching up. Iran's journey from sanctioned underdog to drone superpower is a story of resilience, strategy, and transformation. It's a glimpse into the future of warfare where agility beats bulk, and code matters more than caliber. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think about the drone age? Is it just beginning or already out of control? Until next time, stay alert, stay informed, and keep watching the skies.